Hey, if you cannot receive the incoming calls on your CMF Watch Pro, let me show you how you can try to fix this so we can actually change some options. And first of all, I will recommend you to click on the side button to open the settings. Go into the settings, now open sounds, and from this just be sure that the silent mode is actually turned off and also that you enable the volume of your watch. Next, if it doesn't work, you can also try to go back into this settings and be sure that you turn off the do not disturb mode. And now, if it doesn't work, you can try some other methods. So you have to just grab your phone, go into the CMF application, click here, and then go into the notifications. Now just be sure that you enable notifications and go into the color. So this is actually the true color. This is the phone dialer application. So just enable notifications from this one. And also just be sure that you turn off the do not disturb mode on your smartphone. And yeah, this is it. If it doesn't work for some reason and you still have this issue, I can recommend you to perform the hard reset of this watch. Also removing the application from your smartphone and try to connect it one more time. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.